Oh, this
Pine Tree.
special class. Remember we were talking special
Thank
class?
God for Pine Tree. Our fine new school. We'll do our best to keep the rule.
We were in double sessions before they opened this.
Amazing.
We were
Yeah.
split sessions, mornings and afternoons, and
Yeah.
Brandon, yeah.
We were growing.
Is it Susan?
Susan
Woolridge.
She was in our grade.
Yeah.
She was our grade, yeah. I remember Susan.
Go ahead.
It's a good brand new
Just
school.
we can pass it down.
Oh my gosh.
Ann Lesher, there you are. That's her. That is your letter, sweetie.
That's mine. Okay.
That's
My
what she put
impression of
in.
the new school. Oh man. I think that we were the luckiest children in the world.
This is a class roster.
I think that we were the luckiest children in the world. We have a brand new school. We have new desks and plenty of room.
Cornerstone
We have
ceremony.
a sink, new bookshelves, and cabinets. That makes everything so convenient. We have lots of blackboards and bulletin boards which have come in handy for decorating the room. We have closets in the room in which to hang our coats and a heating unit that's super. Everything is modern and up to date. The cafeteria has 2 entrances, whereas the old school only had 1. This is better because we don't have to wait in line as long as we did for lunch. The art room is gigantic and has plenty of storage and workroom. The gymnasium has locker rooms and shower rooms. I wish we were on the main floor so we wouldn't have to walk up and down the stairs. Of course, the playground isn't finished and won't be until next spring. The scenery isn't very pleasant right now because of the unfinished playground and the unplanted grass. I think we should all be grateful to have this wonderful new school. I only wish that I wasn't in 6th grade now so I could stay longer in the school.
Do you remember writing it?
I was just going to say
Oh
that.
my goodness.
Richard.